For the case of subtraction, if we take u, this is equal to u1 minus u2. Okay, and we know that the absolute error is delta u, that is the small increment of u, and this is given by EA. This is absolute error. This is equal to delta u, and this gives delta of u1 minus u2. So this is mod of delta of u1 minus delta of u2. Okay. Now using the property of mod, we get this is less equal to mod delta u1 into mod delta u2, and these two are the absolute error of u1, and this is the absolute error of u2. Okay, we get this result. This is less equal to. Now similarly, we use the property of modulus in the left side. We can write this result as this also. Okay, right side is positive and left side is negative. Okay, and now we get more modulus because absolute error is always positive. Then we write that mod of absolute error of u1 minus absolute error of u2 less equal to absolute error of u less equal to absolute error of u1 plus absolute error of u2. Now in case of addition, the sum of two absolute error is more than the absolute error of this, but this is less than the absolute error of u. So in finding the absolute error in case of subtraction, we calculate left side rather than right side. Okay. Now if we consider, or if we wish to find the relative error, then similarly we can calculate this relative error of u1 minus relative error of u2. Okay, and this is obviously less equal to relative error of u. This is less equal to relative error of u1 plus relative error of u2. Right, this is the relation of relative error, and this is the relation of absolute error in case of subtraction. For better understanding, we consider here an example to compute x minus y. Okay, and find the relative error. Here x is given by this, y is given by this, and absolute error of x, this is delta x and delta y are also given. And in case of finding relative error, and for the case of subtraction, we must find the left side rather than the right side. Okay, and we first find relative error of x. This is given by delta x by x, and this is 0.001 by this is 9.05, and this is approximately given by 0.000111049. Okay, and similarly relative error of y, this is given by delta y by y, and this gives 0.003 by this is 6.56 y is given, and this result is approximately 0.000. This is 45631. Now we have to find the relative error of u, that is the relative error of x minus y. So relative error of x minus y, this is given by this term. So this is relative error of x minus relative error of y, and this mod, and this result is given by mod of 0.000111049 minus 0.0004631. Right, and this difference is given by mod of, this is not mod, 0.00346, and this is approximately 0.0035. Okay, this is the relative error of x minus y, where the absolute error are given by this and this. Okay, and this is the case of subtraction. Thank you for watching.